Boom, welcome to the channel. This is 5 Minutes of Value. My name is Brock. Let's dive right in. Today I'm going to be talking about why I would use Robinhood as a beginner. I used Robinhood as a beginner and it was super easy to use, super easy to learn. There's so many different things you can do on Robinhood. Let's get started. I can show you how to create an account and let's start investing today. There is one thing I wanted to pop up on here is you get spending cash back at your favorite brands. So you can get paid part of your paycheck on here, or you can do your full paycheck on here and start investing with that money today. And there's no monthly fees. So of course that's the best part. No overdraft fees. That's something I used to always get when I was younger, and especially when I was a teenager. They have 24/7 phone support. This is not an ad, but this is just simplicity of investing, just getting started, super easy to use. There's also retirement on here. There's crypto, investing, and rewards. So rewards is, actually I haven't used Robinhood for a little while now, but you can get APY, which is basically monthly or quarterly rates for just putting money on this Robinhood Gold account, and of course referrals. But just going to investing, I just want to show you how simple it is. So I don't use Robinhood anymore, so zero money on my account. And you can also trade futures, so in real time, which is basically 24-hour trading. So that's pretty cool as well. This is like watch lists. You can do like rename these and create your own watch lists, do options watch lists. So that's really cool as well. This APY, you earn 4.5% with Robinhood Gold. I think you do pay a certain amount for that, but I think that's pretty cool as well. Crypto, there's trending topics. You can kind of see what's trending. And news, that's always really cool when everything's in one spot, kind of like this. But yeah, I just think the interface of Robinhood is super simple. It allows you to learn quickly and kind of just show you what it looks like as well. Keep clicking on a stock. So these watch lists are really old for me, maybe a few years old, but this is all for free. Some charts you have to pay to go back in time, especially a while back, but they're really simple charts. There is advanced charts, I believe, as well, and you can use different indicators, so that's always really cool as well. There's RSI, so on TradingView, using multiple indicators like this costs money, so that's very cool. And yeah, just a little bit about the company. You can do a little bit of research on the company, and so some of this might be a little new. No, this is the same analyst ratings, earnings. People also own based on portfolios of people own DraftKings, so that's always super cool to see people that are trading DraftKings or own it. This is what they're buying as well, and then this is where you can do your buys and sells. And yeah, so it's very simple to learn on Robinhood. That's why I totally recommend Robinhood. It's super simple to understand, super simple buys. You got your different orders, but right now I'm just worried about buys and sells, so you learn how to get your feet in the water of investing and really just learning how to invest and start doing it frequently. And then funding your account, you don't have to do it right when you're opening your account. So start small. It only takes $1 to invest. So you don't even have to fund your account when making it. But you can fund your account later. If you want to upgrade to that APY, it's 60 days. And then you'll be charged $5 a month. That's awesome. 4.5% on, say, 40,000 or 20,000. 40,000 would be around 170 bucks, something like that, or 200 bucks, something like that. So you can earn money in say if you want to put 20,000 on here, you're going to be earning more than that $5 a month. So I think you get paid on a monthly basis, but you would have to check that as well. But you can start off with 0 APY, so you won't have to pay that $5 a month. And then open up an individual retirement. So you can also open up a Roth IRA or IRA, and they'll give you a 1% boost on contributions. So basically they'll match, do a match. Let's move my screen a little bit. 1% boost on your annual contributions, or 3% if you join Robinhood Gold for 1 year. So I think that's pretty cool as well. But we're going to keep continuing. And then this is where you're going to, okay, so it's giving me the option if I want to do a retirement account. But say if you don't want to open one yet, I highly recommend you opening up a Roth IRA if you don't have one already. But you can just put maybe later. And then choose your web experience. Robinhood Legend is for advanced trading. So if you're just beginner, you can just start off with classic, and I'm pretty sure you can always switch back over. Okay, let's check continue. Sorry, my camera's in the way. Okay, so yeah, that's basically what you want to do when you're creating an account with Robinhood. You can just keep it simple. Do a classic account, and then it'll ask you for your email. Of course, I already have an account, so it won't let me create an account. But yeah, thanks guys for watching. This is 5 minutes of value. Hope you caught some value today. Peace.